Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we are going over step one of adding new items to your Inksoft catalog, and that is going to be to verify that the product doesn't already exist within your catalog. So first step is to go to your Inksoft dashboard, and we're going to go to Manage Products. And next, you're going to use the search bar over here on the right to just search the product that you're looking for. So this particular SKU is NL6710. And you can see that this product does not already exist within our catalog. So now we're going to go ahead and copy that SKU, and we are going to click Add Product and from Supplier Catalog. And now we're going to select the vendor, and this particular vendor is Sanmar. Now we can go ahead and just paste in that SKU. And this is what we're looking for right here. So we're just going to go ahead and click on it and copy it to the store. We're going to click OK. And that's it for this step. Thanks for watching.